In this video, I will show you how to fully open the SAECO Magic M1 or M2 or M2 Plus cover and access the entire internal components, let's say boiler, grinder, and pump. All right, so the dismantling first start with remove all the components that you are able to access from the external drip tray, the water tank, and all the loose item, the lead. And then next step is you'll have your handy tools ready. So the Torx T20, the T10, and then the Phillips driver. Starting with the bean hoppers area, has the grill. So you use your Phillips to unscrew it from the top. Then you can remove the coffee beans hopper off. Then next step, just turn to the T10. There's two screws holding the side panel, and from the back of it, it has another two screws holding the back cover. So you unscrew it. All right, keep the screws side. Starting from the side panel, so you lift the side panel up to remove it, and the back cover by opening this door, and then lift this one up off from this area, and then gently slightly put it back. There's a wire connection for the fan, ventilation fan. Be careful to remove it, just don't break it. Once you remove all the cover, it's time to jump to the top cover. Remove the brew unit, and then this protector is able to remove as well. So T10, remove it. If you look from underneath, there's one screw in the front, this area, and another two screws, which is holding these two mounting rod. T10. In this area, you might find two screws in there. So only you need to remove the one sitting more to the front. Once you remove the three screws, there's the silver one sitting in the water tank area. T20, unscrew it. You will have the top cover removed entirely. This is the water level presence sensor. Unplug it, and then two hoses, don't worry about it. Step aside. Then you can access the internal components. Grinder, dozer unit. This is the solenoid valve. The other two valves sitting in the front. We'll have, this is a steam pump. This is a coffee water pump, which is a hot water pump or coffee pump. Coffee boiler, steam boiler.